Hi guys, it's me, Natalie or Nat. Welcome to my channel, Glam Nails. And if you're new, my name's Natalie and I like doing nails, reviews, hauls, collabs, anything and everything to do with nails. So this is it's kind of a review, not a review, no. It's some nail goodies that I got. So it's Madamglam. Now I got a couple of the gel. I got 4 gels, but I got the advent calendar. Which looks quite nice actually, because they're doing the new advent calendars now. They're just like 12, aren't they? 12 items, but I think they're all fairly big bottles of gels. But I've tried to avoid anything and everything to do with Madamglam's advent calendar, because I like doing it on the day. Anyway, I'm going off tangent. So these gloves from Timu, the pants, look at that, just rubbish. This is about the 7th or 8th pair, mind you, they're only cheap. Anyway, going off tangent again. So this is the first thing I got is this butter glaze. Look at that, that's so rich in it, that colour. Look at it. Now it's really cold here at the moment, so look at that, it's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, it's a gorgeous colour. It's got like oh, it's really pretty. I have a couple of them that are like this, and they're really pretty. So yeah, that's butter glaze. I got a different kind of nude. This is char latte. Let's see if I can get the little. Oh, come on. Got no grip, guys. Got no grip. This is a nice nude actually. That's lovely. Yeah, that's a really nice, very dark nude. I could have done with one a little bit lighter, but yeah, I'm alright with that because I'm running quite low on nude of these Madamglams. This one is Harvest Flame. This is lovely. This is really nice. Oh, I do like this. Look at that. That's a really proper deep red colour. Yeah, I like that. Well, it's not, I don't know, it's kind of a red. Yeah, it's more red to me. Wait, let me see what it's showing on camera. It's not that red. It's more, it is red, but not that red. Not that red on camera, but it is nice and yeah. And I got they gave me this free, this green. I do apologise for Dominic then. He doesn't realise that I can hear everything. Now I think I've already got a perfect green. Well, I don't think I know. So yeah, so I may, in fact I think I've used it recently. This is perfect green, isn't it? Have I got perfect green? What's the point? I'm sure I thought yes I have, and I don't think I've barely used it, so we might have to see about that one. Yeah, so that's the 4 gels. Now this is not the 1st of December, it's the day before, so I'm going to open the 1st of December because I want to get a video with using 1st of December. There's an email come through. So I was going to wait. I don't know, what should I do? Because I could use this for a few days. Yeah, I'll open the first one. I'll have a look at the first one, then I won't open anymore. It's just like a kid in it. These candies are lovely. These are lovely. Really nice. I'll show you the box actually. But I think they are all at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these are gels. I'm not sure about these 2. That's going to be, I'm not sure. That's going to be a pot, isn't it? But yeah, it's not bad actually. It's not bad at all. But the last year's wasn't bad either. So I'll just get that first one out and I'm going to use that tomorrow. I know, like, because it's like the 12 days of Christmas and it starts on the 12th, but just for this first one, I'm going to try this first one. Just because I can't help myself. And I haven't seen it, so I don't know what's in it. But oh, that was it, because the calendar for Sparkle Supply that I won, by the way, which I'm really pleased about. I want to open that as well, because I want to use whatever's in that. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is mulled wine. Oh, look at this. Now, come on, don't mess about. Oh, that is nice. This is mulled wine, a rubber base coat. Let's look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Look at that. That's a proper Christmas colour, isn't it? For those Christmas sets. Beautiful. Oh, I love that. Gorgeous. Yes, I shall be using that. Now, shall we see what number 1 is for Sparkle Supply? Let's have a look. Now, I know it's the first tomorrow, but like I say, I want to get the video done for the first. So, the first day of Christmas. What's this? What is it? Looks like a glitter. Is it a glitter? Is it a glitter? Come on. Oh, it's a foil. Oh, that's nice. That is lovely, isn't it? Dash. That'll go very well actually with that. So I'll be using that tomorrow in my video. So I'm very pleased with that. So yes, that is my first day of Christmas. And I'll be having me set up. And yeah, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.